What if I told you that in the next 90 days, you could build a digital product that generates income while you sleep? In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover a proven framework for creating products that sell, how to validate your idea before investing a single dollar, the exact blueprint successful digital entrepreneurs use, a launch strategy that guarantees momentum, and simple systems that turn your knowledge into passive income. Welcome back to Thriveology Today. Before we dive in, join our Thriveology community by hitting subscribe. Because just like digital products, small actions today create lasting income tomorrow. Let's turn your expertise into profit. Let's begin with product ideation and market research. Think of digital product creation like being a master chef. Before cooking up something amazing, you need to know exactly what your diners crave. Let's break down the essential ingredients of successful product ideation. Market gap analysis. Your digital product needs to solve a real problem that people are willing to pay for. Study your target audience's pain points like a detective searching for clues. Look for problems that aren't being solved effectively or solutions that could be dramatically improved. Think of successful products like Google Maps. They didn't just create another navigation tool. They revolutionized how we explore our surroundings by focusing on real user needs and pain points. Value proposition development. Your product should be like a key that fits perfectly into your audience's lock. Focus on solving one core problem exceptionally well, rather than trying to be everything to everyone. Consider how Spotify transformed music listening by focusing on personalization and user experience. Validation framework. Survey your target audience about their specific challenges. Create a simple prototype to test core features. Gather feedback through small focus groups. Track pre-launch interest through landing page signups. And study competitor offerings for gaps and opportunities. Keep in mind, successful digital products aren't created in isolation. They're born from deep market understanding and validated through real user feedback. Like IKEA's augmented reality tool, which came directly from understanding customer hesitation about online furniture shopping. Implementation strategy. Start with a minimum viable product, MVP. Focus on one core feature that solves a specific problem. Build in feedback mechanisms from day one. Create clear documentation for future scaling. And design with scalability in mind. The key is to validate your idea before investing significant resources. Think of your digital product like a scientific experiment. Test your hypothesis with small, controlled trials before scaling up. Now, let's look at the creation process. Think of your digital product development like constructing a masterpiece. Every brushstroke matters, and the foundation must be rock solid. Let's dive into the essential elements that transform ideas into successful digital products. Design and development framework. Begin with low-fidelity wireframes to map out your product structure. Create interactive prototypes that users can test and provide feedback on. Design user flows that feel natural and intuitive. Implement feedback loops at every development stage. Build comprehensive documentation for future updates and scaling. And focus on creating a consistent user experience across all touchpoints. Quality standards implementation. Define clear performance metrics and success indicators. Create systematic testing protocols for each feature. Implement regular quality assurance checkpoints. Set up peer review processes for code and design. Develop user acceptance testing procedures. And create detailed style guides for consistent branding. Testing and refinement. Conduct thorough usability testing with target users. Implement A/B testing for key features. Gather and analyze performance metrics. Create feedback systems for continuous improvement. Perform stress testing under various conditions. Make data-driven improvements based on user behavior, and test across different devices and platforms. Essential tools and resources. Design platforms like Figma or Adobe XD for UI/UX creation, prototyping tools for interactive mock-ups, version control systems for tracking changes, project management tools for team coordination, analytics tools for tracking user behavior, documentation systems for knowledge management, and collaboration tools for remote team communication. Remember, quality isn't about perfection on day one. It's about creating a solid foundation that can evolve with user needs. Think of your digital product like a living organism that grows stronger with each iteration. always adapting to serve your users better. The key to successful digital product creation lies in balancing speed with quality, innovation with reliability, and complexity with usability. Like a master chef perfecting a signature dish, each element must complement the others while serving the ultimate goal, delivering exceptional value to your users. Next up, we will look at the launch strategy. Think of your digital product launch like a rocket launch. Every component must be perfectly synchronized for maximum impact. Let's break down the essential elements that create unstoppable launch momentum. Pre-launch phase. Build anticipation through strategic content teasers. Create an exclusive waitlist for early access. Develop compelling lead magnets that showcase your expertise. Engage potential customers through value-packed content. Set up comprehensive tracking systems for launch metrics, and gather testimonials from beta users and early adopters. Launch sequence framework. Day 1 to 3, grand opening with irresistible early bird offers. Day 4 to 7, share transformation stories and case studies. Day 8 to 10, host live Q&A sessions to address objections. Day 11 to 14, release special bonus packages. Final 24 hours, create urgency with last chance promotions. Marketing campaign elements. Design a high-converting email sequence. Create engaging social media content. Plan strategic affiliate partnerships. Set up retargeting campaigns. Implement scarcity elements ethically. Host live webinars or workshops, and leverage existing customer testimonials. Think of your launch like orchestrating a symphony. Each element must play its part at exactly the right moment. The key isn't just creating noise, it's creating harmony that resonates with your audience and drives them to action. Keep in mind that successful launches aren't about perfection, they're about connection and momentum. Focus on delivering genuine value at every touch point while maintaining excitement throughout the launch window. Automation and scaling is the next step leading to growth and scaling. Think of your digital product business like a well-oiled machine that runs 24/7. Let's break down the essential systems that turn your product into a scalable, automated success story. Delivery systems. Set up automated product delivery through reliable platforms. Create seamless onboarding sequences that welcome and guide new customers. Implement automated email follow-ups for engagement and support. Design self-service resources and knowledge bases. Build scalable hosting solutions that grow with demand. And create automated upsell sequences based on customer behavior. Customer support framework. Develop comprehensive FAQ databases that answer common questions. Set up chatbot systems for instant response. Implement ticket tracking for complex issues. Create automated troubleshooting guides. Build customer success automation that predicts and prevents issues, and design feedback collection systems that improve your product. Analytics and optimization. Install comprehensive tracking for key performance metrics. Create automated reporting dashboards. Design split testing frameworks for continuous improvement. Build referral programs that scale automatically. Implement affiliate management systems, and set up retention tracking and churn prevention. Think of these automation systems like a digital concierge. They should make your customers feel supported and valued, while freeing you to focus on growth and innovation. Remember, the goal isn't to remove the human touch completely. It's to automate the repetitive tasks so you can focus on high-impact activities that truly need your attention. Like a master conductor, you're orchestrating these systems to work in perfect harmony. Your digital product journey starts today. The strategies we've covered aren't just theory. They're proven frameworks used by successful digital entrepreneurs worldwide. Think about this. Every successful digital product started with a single step. Your expertise, combined with these strategies, could be the foundation of your next passive income stream. If you're ready to transform your knowledge into profitable digital products, join our Thriveology community by hitting that subscribe button. Because just like digital product creation, every subscriber helps us create better content to fuel your success journey. Share in the comments which digital product you're planning to create. Your idea might inspire someone else in our community to take action. Remember, success isn't just about creating products. It's about creating value that transforms lives. Keep thriving and never stop growing.